Good morning. My name is Eddie C. I'm the author of the book Trend is Friend. The date today is 13th October 2022. It's a Thursday morning and the time is 9:25 a.m. I welcome you to my channel By Rationale. By Rationale rationalizes 10 reasons why a stock is ready for purchase. However, there is a disclaimer here. I am not a licensed financial planner, so whatever I say here is just purely for educational information and sharing only. If you decide to buy a particular stock in discussion, please consult your licensed financial planner or your broker before buying a purchase. You buy at your own risk. Buy Rationale is brought to you by Trend is Friend Investing Club that is run by me, the author of the book Trend is Friend. The stock that we are triggered this morning, first one that we are going to discuss is Power Root. Stock code 7237. Normally, I will consider to buy a stock by looking at 10 rationales or reason, and five of which are fundamental rationale, and the other five is technical rationale. For a start, let's look at the uh, fundamental rationale. The first fundamental I normally look at is to compare intrinsic value versus the market price. That is to get a feel of the valuation of the intrinsic value of the company against the market price. Powerroot is now selling at 2 ringgit and 10 cent. Okay, we now calculate the intrinsic value. To calculate the intrinsic value, we normally use the enterprise value, which is 15 6 sorry 646181 divided by 416969, which is $1.55 1 ringgit 55 cents. Power Root now is selling at 210. So it looks like you are not buying a discount, but buying at a premium of 60 cents. Well, performing stocks, normally you pay a premium. The question is it fair or justified to pay a 60% premium? Uh, let's look at, let's analyze further. The second, the second rationale that I always look at is the payback period. Normally, I will use the acquirer multiple, which is the enterprise value divided by the EBITDA, or you can even use the price earning ratio. But I prefer the acquirer's multiple because this reflects a better valuation on the payback period. If we look at the EV over EBITDA, Power shows it is about 15, 16 times. That what it means that if you buy Power at 210 today, it has a payback period of 15 years. The third rationale that I will consider is I would like to also know that how long it takes for Power Root to double up. Okay, for doubling up from 210 to 420, normally I will look at the current trailing 12 months operating margin, which is about 12%, and I will calculate using rule of 72. Okay, 72 divided by operating margin trailing 12 month of 12%. So if you buy power root at 210 today, it will it will double up in 6 years. The third rationale is continuity. Continuity. In continuity, I will look at free cash flow or net cash. Okay, in this case, Powerroot has a free cash flow of 11 million, in excess of 11 million, and it has a total asset of 405 million, uh, minus of the total debt of 35 million, meaning it is actually a net cash company, strong net cash company. It ensures continuity of the company together with incremental operating margin. The last fundamental reason I will look at is dividend. Uh, Power has been paying dividend consistently, and the forward dividend yield shows that it is going to pay about a 4% dividend coming in the coming quarter, coming ending quarter of about 4%, 3.95. Okay. Now let's take a look at the technical side, which I will now go to the chart. From the technical side, normally I will first take a look at the trend. Uh, for a to for a trend to occur, normally we look at higher lows. In this case, Power has indicated to me there are already 4 times occurring a higher low, as indicated by the red arrow, meaning that definitely power root is in a trend, and the trend is very strong because it is angled at about 45 degrees. The second technical rationale is to see establish if power root has a momentum. Power root definitely is in a momentum now because the price candlestick or the price action is actually above the cloud, and it is also above the 155 line, MA 155 line, and also the MA 233 line. So the entry strategy for power today is, oh, it has just crossed uh, the last higher high, uh, making an entry strategy of squeeze breakout confirm. So it is a right time for entry right now. Okay, and if it is an entry, uh, what is the risk reward ratio? That is the fourth consideration I normally look at. Okay, if if you if you consider to do a entry now, you will have a risk reward ratio of 2.5 times with a target price of $2.63 and a cut loss of $1.85. Okay, uh, a risk reward ratio of 2.5 times is quite a good consideration. And the last and but not least is when it is right. We know that actually power root is on the wave three, meaning it has still room for trend and has room for momentum ascending up. If you find this video educational and informative, please like, subscribe, and share to receive future notification. Please also consider subscribing for the TIFIC membership for receiving prompts whenever a trigger is confirmed. Thank you for attending this video and have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.